Hey bitches, this is Elle with Roselle's Creations and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you two different types of ways to do a reverse ombre. This one I only have a couple clips because it is super simple, but everything I am using you can find down below in the description box. Let's get into it. So on this one I started with the stainless steel base, went outside and I grabbed my white and black spray paint. Whatever spray paint you use is fine. I started with the white on the top, then I did the black on the bottom. This does not have to be perfect. What you see me here is I tried measuring it, but we wing it around here. I cut 4 pieces of electrical tape. I like it because it's stretchier. And I placed them on my tumbler. 4 different pieces just to give it 4 different sections. Once I get the place taped how I like it, it's even. I make sure I trim my excess off. Because what we're doing is we're running outside and we are going to spray paint it. We are going to do another coat over the tape. This is how you're going to get your reverse ombre effect. So right here you see me cutting my excess, and I am cutting my tape right below the lip. I want it going over the lip. You can do it however you'd like. I just don't like the harsh line showing. So like I said, once we get this trimmed, we're going to run outside. And where the white is, I spray paint the black. You see? And where the black is, I place white. Now I'm removing that tape. Let it dry in between, of course. But as I start removing the tape, you see how it's reversed? That is the reverse ombre, bitches. Literally that easy. And this is it completed. I use Resin Rockers Quick Drip UV Resin. We will do another tutorial on that. But this is a reverse ombre over stainless steel. I'm literally going to slap 2 coats of epoxy on it and call it done. You can add decals, you can do whatever you want, but that is a reverse ombre. Now let's get into a reverse ombre with a glitter base. Y'all ready, bitches? This one's a couple more steps. Let's get into it. Alright, bitches, so here I am starting with a black base, and my glitter color, I wanted it to be purple. So this is my curated glitter with Telebox Crafts called Elle. And I used Crystalite glitter glue to apply, dry in between, another coat of Crystalite glitter glue, and then we're going to let Elle rip again. When I'm using adhesive, I always do 2 coats. This is my favorite purple glitter. And now we're going to get into doing the reverse ombre over an epoxied glitter base. So once my glitter glue is dry, we're going to go in and we're going to epoxy. This is a 20-ounce skinny, so I mixed up 30 ml of DIY Epoxy Speedy Petey, and I am going to slap that on the tumbler. I ended up going in with 2 coats of epoxy just to make sure I had a smooth base, because you want to do this reverse ombre on a smooth base. You don't want no glitter, you don't want no bumps or lumps, because when you spray paint that shit, you're going to see it. So here it is with 2 coats of epoxy. This is, I just love this glitter. I really don't want to cover it up. But this black and white reverse ombre makes this color pop. Now the fun part. So here we go again with the electrical tape. I am going to do 4 pieces around the cup just like I did on the first one. But this one is going to be done a little different, and my ass almost forgot. So let's just say this live was very adventurous, and we were running back and forth, inside to outside. But anywho, once I get the 4 pieces of electrical tape laid down, we're going to take it outside. So I'm going to speed this process up, and I'll talk to y'all in a minute. Alright bitches, let's take it outside. This is all I could download, but as you can see, I am starting with my white on top, my black on the bottom. Like I said in the beginning, this does not have to be perfect, but you do want kind of that misty blend somewhere in the middle. I literally used 2 cans of spray paint on both of these cups, but that is just me being anal and trying to be perfect with. But in my defense, the wind was blowing like crazy, okay? But we still did it. Now that I got my white and my black done, you can see the electrical tape. It is covered up. We are going to let it dry and then run inside, and we're going to tape it off again. Yep, you heard me right. So I am using Color Shot because in my environment, this shit dries within like 5 minutes. It dries super quick and I'm able to get shit done. So I'm going to speed it up and we're going to get to the second part of taping over the initial ombre. Woo! Let's get it. So now that we got the initial colors laid, I am going to take 2 different size painter's tapes. I found this set on Amazon. I have it listed in my Amazon storefront, but it is like a 6-pack of all different size painter's tape, and it comes in handy sometimes. But this is my thicker strip that I took off. I don't know the sizes. I don't know the size. Then the next one, I went in with a super thin, which you're about to see coming up right here after I get this trimmed. And here is my thin painter's tape. Now, you can use the same size. You don't have to switch it up like me. You do just want to go a little bit smaller than the electrical tape, in my opinion. But I am just using my turner, you know, to hold it straight because it was still a little bit damp because my ass was rushing it live. So I'm going to get this trimmed up, get this sped up, then we're going to go do the reverse ombre. Alright bitches, now that we have it taken, it is time to do the reverse ombre. So as you can see, I have my black spray paint and I am going over my white section. Once I get that sprayed, covering the white, we're going to go directly in and cover the top half with white spray paint. This is the reverse ombre. Like I said, the wind was giving me fucking hell, but you will see me flipping the cup back and forth, just trying to get the white cover and leave a little like burst in the middle where it's going to blend. Now I'm grabbing my white and we're putting the white on top, covering the black. We're going to bring it down where we want it. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. You just want that really cool blend in the middle because that's where the magic happens when you peel all the tape. So I'm literally just spinning it around while I'm spraying, trying to get it as even as possible, trying to get a good blend. But I'm telling y'all, it doesn't matter. The tape pulling helps it. So we're going to speed this bitch up again because this is, you know, just me spraying back and forth. And then we get to the tape peel. Alright bitches, y'all ready? I'm trying to do a little slow-mo for y'all, but I suck at that shit. But look at that purple fucking glitter popping through. Y'all see that shit? Y'all see that shit? Now just wait. Just wait till we peel it all off. It is going to look so damn cool. I just go around pulling the tape. This is where the magic happens. When you pull your electrical tape pieces, that's when you're going to see your glitter base. When you pull the painter's tape pieces, that is when you're going to see the reverse ombre effect. But here I am running my mouth like always. Let's speed it up for y'all. I'm doing this carefully, you know, so I don't pull up paint. You see the reverse ombre effect? And I pulled up paint. Y'all see that shit? It's okay. I can fix it. I can cover that. But look, isn't that cool as shit? Now, this is me using the Resin Rockers Quick Drip UV Resin in the color Slime Green. I was feeling Beetlejuice vibes. I always do with purple, black, and white. And this slimy green color is just fucking amazing. But like I said in the beginning, I will do a tutorial on these. I have a bunch of different colors. You do not have to do a drip. You can decal, whatever. If you want to do the reverse ombre and then go epoxy it, you can do that too. This is just me adding an extra touch. If you wanted to stripe out the lines with vinyl, you could. There's so many possibilities with this technique, but I'm going to speed this up so we can get to the finished product, bitches. And when I finish this up, let's say you don't do a drip, you can go straight into your final coat. So after this drip, I am going in with 2 final coats of DIY Epoxy Speedy Petey. And then I'm going to put it on my site. We do spooky shit all year round. So let's get to the finished product, bitches. Y'all ready? Look at this bitch. You get the sparkle from the glitter. Don't worry about that mess up. I'm going to get that fixed. You get the sparkle. You get the reverse ombre effect. I'm going to show the reverse ombre over stainless steel one more time. And if you don't want glitter showing, you can do it directly over stainless steel. You can even add the extra tape to this to get more detailed lines in between. I really hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. These are just so fun creating. This technique is not hard at all. But yeah, bitches, thanks for watching. And as always, please like, subscribe, and share. It is greatly appreciated, bitches. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. Let's get it.